Hey everyone. One of my submissions for the UDL influence reflection was actually camera time. For this video, I actually decided to use a still shot photo of myself and decided to record my voice for the background. One of the reasons that I did this choice was because I actually had no idea how to do it, and I felt like this was one of the easiest approaches to do. And it also was very helpful for me because it kind of was not necessarily testing the waters, but it was just a good start, which is why I decided to do this. I kind of sort of ended up developing from my video edits to being more comfortable filming myself and my voice, but this was the very first one. In this video, I was talking about Dina Simons and her talks about anti-racism and prejudice. I felt like this was a very important topic to talk about because it is something that teachers really need to be comfortable with and not being so prejudiced and not biased towards their students or other things. It was something I felt was important to share. And this was actually weeks 0 through 1, which I ended up recording for. Moving on to my second UDL influence reflection choice, I ended up picking Powtoon, and this was for this second week.
Week 2 was filled.
I felt like Powtoon was actually a little bit more complicated to work with, only because there's so much animations that you can pick from, and it is more like a story tell, and all those animations can be a little bit tricky to choose, or just trying to make sure that the animations come up when you're saying something specifically to its supporting timing. It was also very fun to create and talk through.
On top of that,
I felt like after the animations were created, recording the voice part was actually the easiest part about it. For this Powtoon, what I did was actually mostly talk about Matthew Dilley's interaction with the classroom and what we had learned about the demographics about our fake classroom.
In an environment that provides them with
it was
a
a really
desk
fun activity to do.
Is beneficial to them because they'll have the tools to comfortably sit and study on,
whether it's a table. Thank you.